Anila. I am studying in 7th. Today I am going to speak about Kamarajar. Kamarajar was a great Indian independence and active politician. She was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar district of Tamil Nadu. His parents were Kumarasamy Nadar and Sivagami Amma. Kamarajar considered Gandhiji as his political idol. Kamarajar served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963. Kamarajar opened many schools, dams and introduced mega industries in Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar was elected as the President of Indian National Congress in 1963. His government was known as the Golden Period of Tamil Nadu. He introduced free education, free midday meal schemes in all government schools. He worked hard for children education. On April 13, 1954, Kamarajar became the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He was impressed several times by the British. Kamarajar died on 2nd October 1975, aged 70 in Chennai. Thank you.